Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1965 Backdraft Cobra. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We got the brand new 4-bolt main block, all Ford steel internals, roller lifter camshaft, new timing cover, brand new balancer, Moroso oil pan, front sump oil pan for the 65 Backdraft Cobra. You have the AFR aluminum cylinder heads on there. It's real nice blue ignition wires with all the wire markers. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Cobra valve covers with a matching Cobra air cleaner. Distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. Holley sniper fuel injection system. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. The Holley Sniper fuel injection will be completely dialed in, the menu screen, plug and play, ready to go, timing set, turnkey, drop in ready. We have the proper standard flywheel for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Ford, pellet bearings installed. We have the manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups. Chrome dipstick and tube, thermostat housing, thermostats installed, bypass hose, high flow aluminum water pump, standard rotation for the Cobra, heavy duty Russell fuel line, the inline gas filter for the Holley Sniper fuel injection. So here you have it again, our 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine. Thanks for watching.